Nice costume, Park Ranger Zoe. I wish mermaids were real.
Thanks. They are real. They just want you to think they're not.
What do you think of my vampire costume?
What was that now?
What do you think of my vampire costume?
Whoa, those teeth are awesome.
Yeah, but no biting. We get enough of that from the dinos. I think you might win the Ranger costume contest later. A caveman?
Yup, a tough caveman.
Ooh, very nice. Super prehistoric.
Today we're gonna pass out some special Halloween treats I made for the dinos. It's kind of like reverse trick-or-treating.
Awesome, I'm ready.
Wait! Before we go, I have to tell you a spooky story. Where I'm from, that's the tradition.
But not real spooky, right?
Let's go. Okay. This is the story of the bad luck bone. Once upon a time, there was a park ranger named Mildred. She worked at the Dino Park in England. It was Halloween, and she was doing her daily dino check when she came across a bone sticking out of the ground. She knew she should leave it, but it was too tempting to show her friends. So she dug it up and kept it. And as soon as she walked away, she started having bad luck. She spilled her drink, she stubbed her toe, and then a T-Rex chased her!
A T-Rex chased her? I guess we have bad luck every day.
But it never stopped chasing her until she left the bone behind. And then somebody else picked up the bone. Then they had bad luck. And to this day, the bad luck is passed down to whoever has the bone. And so, the legend says that if you dig up a dino bone on Halloween, you will have bad luck.
Good story, Park Ranger Zoe.
Yeah, but it's just a story, right?
A true story.
Nah, that can't be true.
All right. Let's go pass out these dino treats, shall we?
What about paleontologists? They dig up fossils all the time.
Yeah, but not on Halloween.
Hey, look!
What is it?
We'll find out.
Cool, a dino tooth.
No, don't touch it. Do you really want to test the bad luck legend?
Technically, it's a tooth, not a bone.
Seems okay. Wow, big tooth.
Maybe we should put it back.
But there's something special about this one. I think I'm going to go take a picture of it so I can show Park Ranger Naomi. Then we can put it back.
She's acting a bit weird.
Yeah, you think?
What in the world?
It is bad luck.
You were right, Park Ranger Zoe.
Oh no, we gotta go rebury it.
Oh, Brother Saurus.
Here we go again.
Gigantinosaurus! Here, you go bury it, Park Ranger Darren. We'll deal with the dino.
Okay, I'll go put it back by myself.
Here, behind this tree.
Well, this is a pretty big tooth, and it does sort of match my costume. Maybe I'll just take a quick photo. I'll be the king of the vampires with the biggest tooth ever. Park Ranger Aaron. What's up?
All systems down. You better check all the paddocks.
What? I'll check right now. All paddocks are down. And there's a stampede coming. I better let the other park rangers know right away, and then I'll run. Thanks, Park Ranger Aaron.
No problem. See ya.
Maybe I'll run first.
Oh, it's not going away.
Why is it even here? It's so far from its paddock.
Oh, it's that tooth. Bad luck, I tell you. Oh, hey, we have the Dino Zapper.
Oh yeah, you can just zap it back.
Yeah. Okay, our luck is turning. You know what? I think you're gonna have to do it, Park Ranger Asher. I'm too big. He's gonna see me. That rock. Hey, ready? Yes! Nailed it! Yeah!
Park Rangers, do you copy? There's a stampede coming your way. Retreat to base camp. I repeat, retreat to base camp.
Come on, let's go.
Ah!
All paddocks are down.
What? The force override isn't working! We're gonna have to turn them all on manually!
Wait, where are the Halloween dino treats?
What? They're gone? Ugh! Okay, we've gotta go rebury that tooth right now! You head over there, Park Ranger Asher, and we'll meet you there. We're gonna go lock all the locks manually.
I got you covered.
Thank you.
Silly tooth. All because of you. Actually, this would go perfect with my caveman suit. I could win the costume contest. Maybe I'll take one quick photo. Spinosaurus? Why is it even here? It's so far from its paddock. Park Ranger Zoe, this tooth is really, really bad luck. I think we should all go bury it now.
Let me guess. You took a selfie with the tooth, didn't you?
Yeah.
It's fine. We'll be right there. We'll meet you at the T-Rex paddock.
At least the herbivore fence is on now, so that'll stop the stampede.
Oh, excuse me.
I'll be taking that. Olivia?
That's Gadget Wizard to you, Ranger Nerd.
Are you dressed up as the Dino Master?
Yep, my personal hero. You silly Rangers really thought that this tooth was bad luck, when really it was me, the whole time, playing these tricks on you. Spooking your dinos to make them go running, hacking your gadgets to make them go crazy, hacking your fence, stealing your dino treats.
You did what? So, the legend?
It's all just a bunch of hocus pocus.
Oh, thank goodness.
Man, I'll be holding on to this dino tooth to expose you and your park. I even have photos too. Huh? Ah! Wait, no! My camera, my photos, my proof!
Ha! He's eating your phone.
This tooth really is bad luck. Yay!
Yes, fence is on.
Everyone back to base camp. Olivia, you too.
Fine!
Wait for me!
Yes, all paddocks are working again. Oh, bad luck gone.
Wait, Gadget Wizard, do you want to join our costume contest?
Really? I mean, no way. I can just have one at my own ranch. But there will be no one to go to it. All right, fine. And I promise not to hack anything else, but just for today.
Deal.
Oh, right.
That's where they went?
Sorry.
Mission log 611. Never test a theory about bad luck, especially on Halloween.
Okay, costume contest time. Everyone line up. Come on over on this side. Step to it. Here we go. Here we go. Line up. You there, you there, you there. Beautiful. Coolest costume goes to Park Ranger Asher.
Cool!
And funniest costume goes to Park Ranger Darren.
Wait, it's not supposed to be funny. Oh, who cares? It's chocolate.
And scariest costume goes to Olivia!
Scariest costume? Yes, that is my favorite category.
Okay, let's all take a picture. Wait a minute. My picture of the tooth is gone.
Mine is too.
So is mine.
Let's just eat some candy and pretend like this day never happened.
Deal.
I'm not gonna be able to sleep tonight.
Brr.